checking for bruises in the car on the way back, on the way to the event to make sure that there were, quote, no visible marks, right? And you didn't show this jury a picture of you in that backless dress, though, did you? You didn't show this jury a picture of you at the Mordecai premiere wearing a backless dress, did you? This is a picture of you and Mr. Depp, or the back of you, at the Mordecai premiere in Tokyo, correct? This is you in the backless dress at the Mordecai premiere in Tokyo, right? Bruises or visible marks on your back in this picture. I'll show you one other photo. This is a front angle picture of you and Mr. Depp at that premiere, correct?
That is correct.
I'll show you one more picture. Plaintiff's Exhibit 1258. And again, Ms. Heard, this is you and Mr. Depp at the Mordecai premiere. You testified that after this alleged incident, you had cuts on your forearms, right? And you testified that you had a bruise across your jaw from when Mr. Depp, quote, clocked you in the face, end quote. Take any pictures of these injuries while you were in Australia, did you? You just took 2 pictures of Mr. Depp's writing on a mirror. Isn't that right? And you testified that you were also raped with a liquor bottle in Australia, right, Ms. Heard? You testified you bled from your vagina as a result of that sexual assault. There aren't any medical records reflecting that you sought medical treatment for any of these injuries, are there? Not for the rape, not for the cuts, the injuries to your face. You also told the jury about an incident on December 15, 2015, right? You told this jury that after this incident, you had a broken nose. And you testified that you also had a busted lip from when Mr. Depp punched you. You testified that the lip wound kept reopening when you moved your mouth. You also testified that you had bruising on your temple and bruising on your chin. You also testified that your head was bleeding from where Mr. Depp ripped chunks of your hair out. And that you had, quote, gross, pussy, end quote, bruising around your temple. Now, for this incident, you did take pictures. These are pictures of you on the James Corden show on December 16th, 2015, right, Ms. Heard? That's a photo of you opening your mouth on the right, right? You did take pictures of your alleged injuries after December 15th, correct? That this is a picture of you after the incident on December 15th, 2015, right? This is also a picture of you after the incident on December 15th, 2015. These pictures ended up in People magazine in June of 2016. Isn't that right, Ms. Heard? This was you protecting Mr. Depp after you got the restraining order against him, isn't it? So you did give these pictures to People magazine. So it's your testimony, Ms. Heard, that your lawyers and representatives gave these pictures of their client to People magazine in the middle of a contentious divorce? You also have a medical record from after the December 15th, 2015 incident, don't you? You went to see Dr. Kipper's office a couple days later. This is your medical record for December 17th, 2015, isn't it, Ms. Heard? And this record doesn't document any physical injuries on you, does it? You don't have any medical records reflecting that you broke your nose during your relationship with Mr. Depp, do you? There's no medical records reflecting that you broke your nose during your relationship with Mr. Depp, is there, Ms. Heard? You never went to see any doctor or surgeon to treat a broken nose during your relationship with Mr. Depp, yes or no? Or after you were with Mr. Depp as a result of any injuries you sustained as a result of Mr. Depp. And you didn't produce those medical records in this case.
I wouldn't object, Your Honor. She did.
You don't have any medical records reflecting that you required any dental work during your relationship with Mr. Depp, do you? You don't recall one way or another seeking dental care for any injuries you allegedly sustained?
Yes?
Beautiful 1920s, you know, stage makeup on and like flower crowns and all this stuff. And then my hand, and my face, and then my hands.
I don't know. I don't recall.